Welcome guys, this is Nick with the Carper Garage. Welcome back again, and appreciate you staying tuned with me. Today's gonna be it's Labor Day, so again, I hope you guys are enjoying your time off if you're off of work. Also, I'm on my way to help my dad with his C10. He's about to get it painted, so I'm gonna actually help him work on it on Saturday, and I'm gonna surprise him today to finish it up. He got a lot of stuff done already. I think today we're gonna pull out the seats and take the carpet out so they can paint the inside. So stay tuned. Hope you enjoy the video. It's kind of more of assisting my dad on the C10. This is before it's gonna get painted, so hopefully whenever it does get painted, we'll do a video on it and check it out. But this is a little bit how to get there, or at least from my perspective, how to remove the interior from a C10. 1981, I believe, C10, Chevy C10. So stay tuned, guys. See if we can unwind it real fast, but I get stuck in traffic. Yeah, I see. Yeah, I know. Wow. So apparently my dad's already started stripping it down without me. This is what it looks like before. Alright guys, here's the 81 Chevy C10 with a 1990 Chevy Suburban front end. My dad pretty much took the front end off to get it ready for paint. But this is what he's done so far. The door actually had to be replaced due to the rust spots, but he did a lot of work on it, so this is not the original door that came with the truck. It has replacement so we can get it painted. The interior is pretty much gutted out except for the carpet. Back window is out, sunroof is out, dash is out, so it's gonna be it's gonna look pretty good once he's finished with it, once he gets to the paint booth. Tailgate, have you decided on it? You gonna keep the same tailgate, or you gonna go with a different one? Same. You're gonna keep the same tailgate. Rear bumper probably will get changed. So that's what he has. Dakota gauges, digital gauges. My dad did all the work himself. I think it's going to be a really good looking truck. It's already a good looking truck, but it's going to be a really good looking truck once you're done with it. If you don't mind sharing, Dad, what color you going to go with? A little darker? Okay, I think this one is you call induction hood. I think this was called Strawberry Pearl. Yep, Strawberry Pearl. So, super excited for my dad. I know he's super excited, been a long time, and hopefully next time you see his truck will be painted. How long do they tell you it's gonna take? It's about 6 weeks to get it painted. Check out these wheels, it's pretty cool too. And Dad picked those out as well, so it's gonna look really good. This is the picture of the motor. One, it says the 383 2-port injection. There you guys, super clean. Guys, back again. Hopefully you enjoyed my dad's truck. Super excited for him. My dad's always been there for me, helping a lot of projects on the cars. So super excited to lend a hand, even though he did most of it. And but I'm super excited for him to get his truck painted all these years. If you guys are interested in seeing how the outcome is, you can definitely leave a comment, definitely leave a like. It's been a long time coming for him. So super happy for him to get his truck painted. That's kind of like his baby. Just kind of like, you know, this car is my baby, the 82 is my baby, the C7 is my baby. So he's always been a car enthusiast, and I got it from him. Learned everything from him as well. So, but again, thank you guys for tuning in for this one. I know it's not the typical video. Hopefully, again, I'll always keep promising to get some other cars in there. I know you guys are probably tired of seeing the Z01 and the Z06, so we want to make sure we can get some other opportunities. And if you guys are in the Houston area, Z01 suspension for you, the 10E. But if you're in bumps, but if you are in the Houston area and you don't mind getting your car featured, I would love to do it. So definitely leave me a comment too if that's something you guys are interested in. I'm always looking to interview some cool people, some car enthusiasts, and about their car. So if you guys are interested in that and you want to get your car featured, or you have a Z01 10E, I'd love to meet you too, and we can get together. All right, guys, take care, enjoy your holiday, and see you in the next video.